loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is a quick one. It's a sit down video, of course. I'll be showing you guys how to do this quick high puff, also known as a pineapple. It's one of my favorite hairstyles because I'm either in shrinkage, you know, my afro is out, well, it's always out, or I'm having a high puff. So I thought I should show you guys. If you're tuning in for the first time, thanks so much for coming. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. You guys know how much I love and appreciate you all. And of course, if you like this video and you love my channel, do subscribe, do hit the notifications button, do watch and enjoy. A disclaimer for you guys, my hair is dirty, it's due for wash day. I also had mini twists, so today is like day 5 since I took the twists out, and I do not want to do mini twists again because they are so hard to take out. As you guys can see, my lines are not straight. I just did this last night. They did not have to be neat. I was just trying to keep my hair stretched for a little bit longer, because the longer your hair is out, the more it shrinks, because you also apply products and you spray water. Speaking of water, we always have to hydrate like all the time, so I just sprayed a little bit of water. We're not applying products today because my hair is well moisturized, it's quite soft and already has enough product. Probably to end up being product built up because I'm due for a wash day. Also, you can do this hairstyle without actually having to stretch your hair out. I've done it many times when my hair is in shrinkage. So this is really just me trying to separate my hair. Like I said, those mini twists, they were a lot. Story for another day. So now I have to also go in with a comb just to like bring the hair together. If there's anything that I do not like, I don't like hair that looks see-through, so I'm just closing up the lines, just making it look like a full afro or voluminous hair. That part is really important, so a comb is going to help you with that. So if I left my hair like this, you probably think I'm crazy or my ends need to be trimmed, but that's not the case. You'll see as we progress. I just need to keep going in with the comb just to bring it all together, and maybe spray a little bit more water because it also helps. Just don't spray too much because your hair is going to shrink. I'm now using my favorite brush, which is available at Clicks or Discam if I'm not mistaken. It's less than 100 rands. I really like it, it just does the job well. And then going in with this edge control, it's quite thick, which I think is perfect compared to like lighter gels. I'm not really someone to lay their edges because I can't do the waves or the earths. That's like, I really can't do it. So as long as my hairline is neat, so I do exactly this, push it back. Using a small amount of any gel you can get your hands on. I just like this one because it's light. It's from Uncheckers. You can use shea butter really or leave-in conditioner. You just have to use a lot of it. But my hair is dirty like I said, so we can't be using that. Please don't judge me. I'm using a shoelace for someone who's always saying use satin hair accessories. I do have satin hair ties, I just don't know where they are. I just like a shoelace for one thing though. It's easy to hide under your hair, but still don't use it. Make sure that it's not tight because it's not healthy for your hairline, not healthy for your hair. It'll also give you a headache. As you can see, I'm not even tying it. I'm just basically like wrapping it around and then I just tuck it underneath. This part is important. Please do not skip it. You have to use a certain dock to lay it all down. This is my favorite dock for laying hair. If you've been watching my videos since forever, my first ever styling video when I did a slick updo, I used it and it did an amazing job, and it's been doing that ever since. You can wait however long for it to lay down, 5 minutes, 10, I don't know. I usually do my hair before my makeup, but sometimes I'm not even doing my makeup, but yeah, it gets the job done. So it's called a high puff because we have to like puff it up, open it up, make it look nice, make it look neat, and give it some volume, and make sure that it looks even from all sides and angles. So the back as well, don't forget that side. So there you go, that's my go-to easy quick hairstyle anytime, any day. Just don't do it every single day or too often, or when you do it, make sure that there's no tension. It can result in your hairline receding at the back and in front. It happened to me. My hairline at the back is currently recovering. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video until this far. Until the next video.